How to fix SteamVR not working. I'm going to show you a few different fixes. For the first one, open up Steam, go to your library, search for SteamVR, right click on it, and you will need to go into properties. Now from here, go to the betas tab and click on none, and then you want to change this to beta SteamVR beta update. And you will get beta here added after your name. That is going to be the first fix. See if that works for you. If it doesn't, you will need to open up your computer search and search for View Advanced System Settings and click on it. Now right here, what we have to do is click on Settings for Performance, then go into Advanced again, Virtual Memory, click on Change, and right here we'll just uncheck this, click on Custom Size, and see how much RAM you have. So we're just gonna search for system information, and I have 32 gigabytes of RAM. Now that is gonna be in gigabytes and this is gonna be in megabytes, so you will need to set the amount which you want least used. So the least amount I will do 10,000, which is gonna be 10 gigabytes, and the maximum you want to set it something close to your RAM. So I'm gonna do 28,000 in my case. Obviously you will do it according to how much RAM you have, and then you will click on set and OK. If that doesn't work, the last thing that I suggest doing is opening up your searching for graphics settings, and here you just want to untoggle optimizations for windowed games. You will uncheck this. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.